Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to create stunning animated videos using Canva. No design experience needed. Okay, let's get started. First, just open your Canva and create a new project. You can use a custom size or choose a video template like this. I use a landscape video for standard HD video. Now just add your content. You can upload your own photo or videos or use Canva's built-in elements, text, and image, and then just drag and drop whatever you need onto canvas. And in this tutorial, I will be using Canva's built-in elements. I'm going to create an animation about Italian food. Like this. And I will set the color background like this. And I will add another elements. And then I will add a text. Just type anything that you want. Then I will position all elements like this. And that's for the first scene. Then I will duplicate the scene and I will rearrange the element like this. And I will change the color background again. Like this, and I will add text again. And I will make this third scene like this. And just repeat these steps to create as many scenes as you want. And once you're done setting up your scenes, just go to page transitions. And then choose match and move. Set the durations. And then just apply between all pages. And then adjust the durations. And when you're happy with your designs, just preview your video. Like this. And then just click share to download your video. And maybe that's it. You have just created a stunning animated video in Canva. And okay, if you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.